Imagine a country not just surviving, but thriving through innovative projects that tackle both economic and environmental challenges. That's exactly what's happening with the latest developments in Burkina Faso, where a new cement factory, powered entirely by solar energy, is set to reshape the nation's future. This isn't just about building infrastructure. It's about creating jobs, reducing reliance on imports, and paving the way for a greener, more sustainable economy. Before we dive into all the details, make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest updates. Let's start with the groundbreaking Semaf cement factory. This is not just any ordinary project. It's a massive leap forward for Burkina Faso's industrial sector. So what makes this plant so special? For starters, it's powered entirely by solar energy. Imagine a cement plant producing 900 tons of cement each day, all while harnessing the power of the sun. This is more than just eco-friendly. It's a game changer for a country that has been heavily dependent on importing cement. The factory will significantly reduce the carbon footprint of cement production in the region, marking a major shift towards sustainable practices. Could this be the turning point for other industries to follow suit? And with the eyes of the world watching, this project could set a new standard for green manufacturing across the continent. But the benefits don't stop there. The plant will rely on locally sourced calcined clay, eliminating the need for traditional clinker, a material that's usually imported. By focusing on local materials, Burkina Faso not only reduces its carbon footprint, but also keeps more money within its own borders. This approach will foster a stronger, more resilient economy by reducing dependence on foreign imports. Is that the kind of innovation that every country should aspire to? And with the potential to inspire similar projects across the continent, could Burkina Faso be setting the stage for a regional revolution in sustainable industry? The use of local resources also ensures the long-term viability of the plant, making it a sustainable powerhouse in the nation's industrial landscape. Now, let's talk about the jobs this plant will create. Imagine the thousands of people who will benefit from direct and indirect employment opportunities. From the construction phase to the ongoing operations, this project is set to inject life into the local economy. The production unit alone is expected to bring in a significant number of jobs in both the cement sector and the management of raw materials. This will not only improve the livelihoods of many families, but also contribute to reducing unemployment rates in the region. Can you picture how this will impact the everyday lives of Burkina Faso's citizens? The economic ripple effect could be felt across multiple sectors, fostering growth and prosperity throughout the nation. It's a transformative initiative that could uplift entire communities, creating a brighter future for generations to come. And what about the impact on the nation's finances? Currently, Burkina Faso spends a substantial amount of hard currency importing cement from other countries. This new plant will drastically cut those costs, allowing the country to invest in other critical areas. With an investment of 130 million euros, Semaf is making a long-term commitment to Burkina Faso's future. This financial injection will create a more stable economic environment, paving the way for further development projects. Doesn't that signal a bright horizon for the nation? The savings on imports could be redirected towards healthcare, education, and infrastructure, laying the groundwork for a more prosperous society. These redirected funds could lead to transformative projects that further enhance the country's development trajectory. But Semaf isn't just focusing on cement. This project is part of a broader vision for sustainable industrial growth in Burkina Faso. The solar power plant that will fuel this factory is expected to be operational within the next 24 months, with the cement production unit following shortly after. This isn't just about meeting today's needs. It's about building a future where Burkina Faso can stand on its own, free from excessive reliance on foreign imports and energy sources. Could this be the start of a new era for Burkina Faso? By leveraging renewable energy, the country is positioning itself as a leader in the global movement towards sustainability, which could attract further international investment. This move also positions Burkina Faso as a pioneer in the region, potentially influencing other nations to adopt similar green initiatives. What makes this project even more exciting is its potential to set a precedent for other industries in the region. If a cement factory can run efficiently on solar power, what other industries could follow suit? Could Burkina Faso become a leader in renewable energy adoption across West Africa? The success of this project might inspire similar innovations in other sectors, from agriculture to manufacturing, driving the country toward a more self-sufficient and sustainable economy. This could lead to a domino effect, with neighboring countries adopting similar practices, transforming the entire region's economic landscape. The success of this project could serve as a catalyst for widespread industrial innovation, making West Africa a hub for sustainable development. Moreover, the involvement of CIMAF in such a significant project highlights the importance of international partnerships in driving local development. By collaborating with Moroccan expertise, Burkina Faso is not just receiving investment, but also gaining valuable knowledge and technology transfer. How might these collaborations shape the future of Burkina Faso and its role in the West African economy? The possibilities are truly endless, and this project could very well be the start of something much bigger. Could these partnerships lead to further innovations and advancements that would elevate Burkina Faso's status on the global stage? Such collaborations may also open doors to new markets and investment opportunities, further integrating Burkina Faso into the global economy. Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about another visionary project, the tomato processing facility that's set to revolutionize Burkina Faso's agricultural sector. Did you know that the country produced 290,000 tons of tomatoes in 2021? But much of it went to waste due to a lack of local processing facilities. This new $8 million plant will change all that, turning raw tomatoes into valuable products that can be sold locally and abroad. Imagine the boost to local farmers who will now have a reliable market for their produce. Can you picture the economic ripple effect this will have? The facility will also reduce food waste, ensuring that more of the harvest reaches consumers, thus boosting food security in the region. Could this project serve as a catalyst for similar agricultural innovations across Africa? By enhancing local processing capabilities, this initiative will also strengthen the country's food sovereignty and reduce dependence on imported goods. It's not just about tomatoes. This project could set a precedent for future agricultural advancements in the continent. But that's not all. Burkina Faso's government, under the leadership of Captain Ibrahim Traore, is also laying the groundwork for a gold refinery. This project aims to process more of the nation's gold locally, ensuring that Burkina Faso retains more control over its most valuable natural resource. Given the decline in gold production due to recent challenges, could this refinery be the key to revitalizing the sector? By processing gold domestically, Burkina Faso can add value to its exports, increasing revenue and strengthening its economy. Will this initiative help the country regain its position as a leading gold producer in Africa? What are your thoughts on these groundbreaking projects? Do you think other countries will follow Burkina Faso's lead? Share your ideas in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the African Web. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on these exciting developments.